We back. What is going on, YouTube? I am so excited to be back, okay? Long story short, we made a ton of changes in Shine Time, and I can't wait to fill you guys in. I ran out of storage on my iPhone, so I could no longer film. Finally took the leap of courage to go buy a camera, so super excited about that. I'm gonna try to find my camera stand, whatever it's called. We'll get into the details. Let's go. Got the new office. Chilling. What is going on, everybody? Excited to be back. Times have been crazy this year. We're scaling, we're growing, but we've learned a lot. Being in the window business the last 2 years, it's taught me so much. I think the biggest part that I've specifically liked to focus on is not being overstaffed. It was really easy to, try to hire and try to grow. Seeing all these larger companies online is a little frustrating sometimes. Being in so early and where we're at, I've always wanted to grow, right? I've always wanted to push the company, and those things are good in certain points, is what I've learned. And we've been at 20K a month consistently, month over month. Some months we'll do 25, some months we'll do like 18, 17. It kind of fluctuates. But when I feel that growth, I always determine like, oh, we need another technician, or oh, let's hire door to door. Like I want that fast growth. And what I've realized in the market that we're in, door to door can definitely work. I think at scale it'll be really tough. Just because we're in Florida, it's a lot of retirees. They don't want to spend a ton of money, and it's hard for them to see the value in window cleaning sometimes. So the biggest thing that we've kind of bet on these last 2 years is just digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, a little bit of word of mouth, and it's worked well. But I look back in the last 6 months, and we've done really well with 2 trucks. We're now doing that same revenue with 1 truck. So the biggest thing I've learned is not really to get distracted from adding that next truck and trying to get multiple trucks. I think a lot of people look at some of these bigger companies and they see them with 5, 6, 7 trucks, and they think that's the success, when I think it's profit over how many trucks you have, or even revenue, right? If a guy has 4 trucks and he does 20K a month compared to a guy that has 1 truck and does 20K a month, the guy with 1 truck is going to make more money. And that's kind of the mindset shift that we've had over the last 6 months. So we're down to 1 technician and me. I do have a VA that's helping me on the office side, which has helped tremendously. We've tested them with sales, and obviously close rate went down, which we expected. But we're in August. It's the slowest month of the year. So we need to maximize every opportunity. So I kind of took over sales for right now till we kind of get back into season and get him trained up a little bit more. But during season, he was selling 20K a month in new window cleaning. So we just got to keep him throughout the entire year doing that, and that's been the challenge. So if you guys have any tips on that, drop it in the comments. This video is going to be very raw, to the point. I wanted to get on here, show my face, let you guys know we got a camera now. We're going to start uploading some more, so super, super excited about that. Let me know what city, what market you guys are in, what's working for you guys. Right now, it's been a little tough just because of the rain. It's August here in Florida, so it rains almost every single day. So not a lot of leads coming in. We're relying off our old customers and service plans. We're keeping that truck busy, but barely. September, October will come around and we'll start to pick back up again. So just got to plow through these months, but excited to show you. We got a new office. We still got the same Tacoma, branded, everything else like that. We added on a pressure washer to that truck. It's just a cheap one at Lowe's to give our technician the chance to be able to upsell. So that's been helping out a lot. I think we're close to like 220 5-star reviews. So super excited about that. But yeah, let's get into the video. Look at that. #1 window cleaning service in Odessa, ranked #1 in July of 2026 on Google. Let's go. So we just added a pressure washer onto the truck. I went and bought, it was like a $500 one at Lowe's. And I've recently learned that is not for commercial use. It's broken down on us a couple times, but we got it fixed and stuff. Just wanted to show you guys the warehouse here. We got a little, it's a mess back here, I'll be honest. We got to get this stuff cleaned up and organized, but still kind of a mess from season. We had a pretty good season this year. We've grown month over month compared to last year, which was good. And super excited about that. But we're in that slow time of the year, and it's really hard to just stay positive sometimes, I guess. So right now, we're doing anywhere from like 2 to 3 stops a day on one truck. And we just had a door-to-door team. I say team, it was me and another rep. It was like last month. Everything went well, right? We implemented the systems we had. Everything was working. But when that rep needs to go out there on his own, it was hard to like keep him motivated. So that was a trick of the trade I have not learned yet. I mean, I've been in door to door, I've been on big teams, and it's been really cool. But when it's your own company, it's a little different. So we will see what's going on. But Josh is about to pull up for the day. We're gonna get some film with him, let him speak a little bit about his experience. He's been with me for 2 years. He's basically a business partner. Okay, he's gonna be getting a little piece of the pie of the company. I'm gonna make him a partner, and this next year, hopefully, we're gonna do a big push. So let's see. Yeah, this is that pressure washer I was just telling you guys about. It's not the best, but as you guys can see, we got this thing loaded down. We still run the deionized water tank system. Shout out to Mint and Gatlin and those guys. They're the one that helped us kind of get that set up. But yeah, this is the truck. Got everything built out, branded, and everything good to go. Yo.
So this is it.
We back.
This is the 8K
yeah.
quality camera.
Yeah.
So guys,
I
got it. Oh, I got this, brother. I got you. You guys don't know. If you're new here, my name's Josh. Are you in frame?
Huh?
Are you gonna be in frame? Yeah, get close and personal with me. Come on.
Let me double check. Yeah, we good.
All right, cool. All right, so my position here is kind of everything under the sun. Been kind of dabbling in every position throughout 2-3 years we've been in business.
This is our second. We're on our 3rd year, so we've basically 2 years in.
And safe to say we've learned a lot. We went through a lot of trial and tribulations. The main takeaways so far have kind of been, as everyone else in the industry, is the service plans. But like Chris and I have talked about many times, you can sign up 50 accounts a month, but it really doesn't matter because it all depends on the customer experience. We went through a lot of technicians. We realized that we went through quite a bit of overstaff, thinking that we were gonna.
The analogy I told them, I was like, there could be a guy doing $20K a month with 4 trucks compared to a guy doing $20K a month with one truck.
Yep.
And that's kind of like what we've learned over the time.
Which it helped a lot with the drive time, in between stops, which that saved us a lot on gas. But I mean, one truck can easily do 20K, 100%. 20K a month. And also too, that we realized with having multiple technicians, a lot of stuff falls through the cracks. The checklist doesn't get completed as it should be. The customer experience isn't what it should be. They're not getting told the right things prior to getting signed up for a service plan. And then we'll end up calling them 3 months, 6 months later, and they're like, we don't even know who you guys are. And that's just because of the expectations and how the other technicians set up the service plan.
So that's another thing I wanted to jump in and say on that is, if you guys are running service plans, Our biannuals suck. I don't know what it is. I feel like we've gotten 5-star reviews from biannual people that we've signed up, but that 6-month visit comes up, and our churn rate on that biannual plan is just absolutely insane.
Mm-hmm.
I think we've only really canceled like one quarterly account, one or two maybe.
Yeah, it's a small handful.
But the biannuals is what kind of kill us. People just kind of forget. So we're trying to build an automation now to like stay in front of those people. We were thinking about starting Christmas lights this year.
Yeah.
We had a good amount of staff to do it. Now it's just me and him, and
back to square one.
We're back to square one. So, what's your guys' thoughts on Christmas lights? I've seen some good success on it. If you can't tell, we're making this video for feedback. Okay, so whatever that feedback may be, we deeply appreciate it. There's no one too big, no one too small. I think everybody does things differently. So whatever market you're in, doesn't matter. If you're in the same service, that'd be cool. But anything you guys can do to help would be deeply appreciated.
Yep.
I think we've done very well since we opened up. We've done over 200 reviews. We did 200K our first year. No, actually over 200K. It was like
It was like 260, 280.
Yeah, 260, I think. And then now this year we're tracking like 340, 350. So growth is there. I guess it's just not to where I want it to be. So
getting a little impatient. You know,
I can do that.
But we've added a couple more services. We've added pressure washing, gutter cleaning. It's just trying to get that $200 ticket to rise and maximize and squeeze everything we can out of a certain spot.
Our average ticket has stayed about 230 to 260, which has been very well because we focused on strictly exterior. We do a little bit of interior. We used to do a lot of it. We're just trying to get that average ticket to 350, 400, which is why we've added those services. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah. But any of you boys in the Florida market, hit us up.
Yeah, we can work on some things together. Try to grow other businesses. It doesn't even have to be in the window cleaning space. We're doing other what was it? The valet laundry. We got car detailing, mobile car detailing, pool cleaning. So we're dibbling dabbling. Yeah. So it doesn't have to be in the window cleaning space, but if you're a home service business, definitely reach out and we can try to give you some gold nuggets, and you can give us some gold nuggets. You know. What was that, dude?
Let's go. If you have made it this far in the video, I deeply appreciate your support. Keep a lookout. We're going to start uploading once a week again. Probably get some better content than we did before. We got some better equipment and that type of stuff. So super excited, to what's in stake for that. We're going to double down on content for the business. We're going to double down on content for this. Hopefully we get some feedback from you guys, some feedback that we can give to you, whatever it may be, vice versa. Just looking to collab with other people, maybe in the same business, home service, whatever it may be, doesn't really matter. But super excited for what we have going on. If you guys haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Show the support. We'll see you guys next week. Let's go.